Okay, now we are going to start with some more example about Indian place value. Okay, as we have done in the beginning of this session and in the last session also, we have done about these all the places and periods. Okay, I am repeating again. These all are known as periods, means 1 period, 1000 period, lakh period, crore period. Clear? Now these are subdivided. 1 period is divided into 1, 10, 100 as we have done earlier. Now this 1000 period divided into 1000, then 10,000. After this lakhs period is also divided into 1 lakh and 10 lakh. This is lakh, it is understood that it is 1 lakh. This is also 1000, this is also 1 crore. Okay. Same here in this crore. This is 1 crore, this is 10 crore. Clear? So these are known as these 1000, lakh, crore, these are known as periods. Clear? After this 1, 10, 100, 1000, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore, these all are known as places. Means if you have to find out the place value of a number, then you have to multiply that number by the place given here. Clear? Means the digit which is placed on which place, we have to multiply with the same. For example it is given 3572. Clear? And you have to find out the place value of 7. I am circling it so that you can get clear vision about it. Means 3572. First of all, we have to write down it in a proper way. 275, here we have to put a comma. Clear? So 3572, what will be the place value of 7? Clear? So first of all, as we have done earlier, we will put this number according to their places. So 2 is on 1's place, 7 is on 10 place, 5 is on 100 place, and this 3 is on 1000 place. Clear? So put in this table 2 below 1, then 7, 5, and then 3. Clear? So it is very clear that this 7 is placed under 10, means 7 is placed below 10. So we have to multiply this 7 by 10. Clear? And you can get clear idea from here also. The digit and the place, you have to multiply both. Digit is 7 and place is 10, means place of 7 in this number is 10 place, so its value will be 70. Clear? Okay, let's do one more example. 10392. Clear? And you have to find out the place value of 3. Okay, so again we have to put the number according to the table. This is on 1's place, this is on 10's place, this is on 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000. Clear? So put the numbers in the table. 2, 9, 3, 0, 1. Clear? So we have to find out the value of this 3 as it is, and the place of 3 is on 100. So multiply 3 by 100. You can see here also 3 multiplied by 100. Clear? So it will become 300. Clear? If somebody asks you that find the place value of 0 in the same number, means same number 10392. Clear? So find out the place value of this 0. Again we have to do the same process, very simple. This is on 1's place, 10's place, 100 place, 1000 place, and this is on 10,000 place. So 0 is on 1000 place. Again you can check here, 0 is placed on 1000 place, means we have to multiply this 0 by 1000. So 0 into 1000, and when we multiply or divide 0 by any number, then it will remain 0. Clear? I think you can solve it. Okay, let's do one more example. 170,543, and you have to find out the place value of 7. Okay, same as always, first identify the digit and their places. This 3 is on 1's place, this is on 10 place, this is 100 place, this is on 1000 place, this is on 10,000 place, this is on, after 10,000 it is on lakh place. Clear? If you have to name this number, then what will be its name? We have done the naming. Okay, it is very simple, 1 lakh. Clear? After this 1000 place we have to name complete combinedly. So 1,70,543. We have done this type of question. I am just repeating it so that you can get some idea about the previous class. Okay, so put 7. After putting 7, what we have to do? Very simple, check the place of 7. It is on 10,000 place. If you are not able to check it here, so it is better that you should put this complete number in the table like this. 3, it is on 1's place, so below 1's we will keep it. 4, then 5 is on 100 place, 0 on 1000 place, 7 on 10,000, 1 on lakh place. Clear? And we have to find the value of 7. So 7 multiplied by the place value, that is 10,000. So 7 multiplied by 10,000. Clear? And when we multiply 7 by 10,000, then it will become 70,000, like this. Clear? So today's class you have to learn about this place value, Indian place value. Okay, in next session we will discuss about some more questions regarding to this place value, and if you will get it very well, then we will proceed with some more topic like international number system. Clear? So this is enough for today, and for homework I will give you some question, that is I am writing here. Okay, first question, 179203, place value of 9. Second question, 354910, place value of 1. Third question, 172512, place value of 0. 9453, place value of 9. And the last question, 100502, place value of this 0. Clear? So this is your homework you have to do. And one more instruction for you, don't put the message and don't put any picture of this homework. No need to upload any picture. Whenever you got some assignment, only then you have to upload a picture. Otherwise no need to upload any picture in the Google Classroom. Clear? So assignment I will provide you after the completion of this chapter. Okay, the earlier assignment which I have given to you, you have solved them. Okay, so no problem, I have checked them and I think written also most of you got it. If you haven't got it, then surely you will get it very soon. Okay, thank you very much.